If you need to sign multiple documents in one batch, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that quickly and efficiently. Whether you're handling legal papers, contracts, or any other documents, this will save you tons of time and effort. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is get the software that allows you to sign multiple documents at once. I've tested several of the most popular tools out there, and the software we'll be using today has been the best for batching signatures. You can follow along with a free trial, exclusive to my viewers, which I'll leave in the description below. Once you've got the software set up, you'll want to start by uploading all the documents that need signatures. Typically, you can drag and drop them into the interface. This is where the time-saving part comes in, because now, instead of opening each document one by one to sign, you can handle them all at once. Next, you'll use the batch signing feature. This feature is usually pretty easy to find, either in the menu or as an option when you upload your documents. Once selected, you'll be prompted to choose where you want your signature to appear on each document. It's as simple as clicking and dragging a signature field to the right spot on the page. You can set it to appear in the same location for all documents, which is a huge time saver. After you've placed the signature field, the software automatically applies your signature to every document in the batch, one by one. Depending on the number of documents, this could take just a few seconds or a couple of minutes, but regardless, it's much faster than signing each one individually. Now you'll want to double check the documents to make sure everything is in place. Most of these tools allow you to preview the batch before you finish. If you notice anything out of place, you can make adjustments in just a few clicks. When you're happy with everything, hit the finalize button. Then the software will process the batch, adding your signature to each document. You can download them all at once and they're ready to go. That's it. You've signed multiple documents in one batch in just a few minutes, which would normally take much longer manually. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Signing multiple documents in one batch is not only time efficient, but also incredibly simple with the right software. With the software we use today, you can automate the whole process and get back to what matters. Remember, if you want to follow along with this process, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. Don't miss out. It's only available to viewers of my channel. To quickly recap, upload your documents, use the batch signing feature, place your signature, finalize, and download. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to take advantage of that free trial for a hassle-free signing experience.